Okay, YouTube, this is a quick recap of what action took place today in the markets, January 18th, 2023. I've got my three AI-powered strategies trading the NASDAQ 100 futures on the 15-minute time frame right here. I just want to highlight what happened with each of these and how they performed. Okay, so first strategy right here had an entry right at 10:45 in the morning at 7:17, and that took you all the way down to about 12:45 in the afternoon, got you out at 5:23. Took a bad trade right here for the upside. There really wasn't any upside, but it took a bad trade right there. Then it took a short trade right around 3:45 in the afternoon at 5:17, and that one there got you out at 4:79. So not a bad little afternoon trade. I don't trade after 3:30 Eastern time, so I wasn't part of this trade, and I was out to lunch during this. So I did get the downward move this morning, which was nice. This indicator right here also caught the move very nicely to the downside, to the upside, and to the downside. I use it basically for confirmation in case the algo fires a bad signal, for example, right here. Okay, when the algo fired that signal and this was still below the zero line, I knew that that was not a long at all. So I use these indicators that I've designed specifically to trade the NASDAQ 100 as a secondary source of confirmation in case I do get a bad signal like I did right there. All right, moving on. This one here took the trade, and it was just one long trade as opposed to three separate trades on this one here. This one entered at 10 a.m. in the morning. If you notice where it entered 3 bars below the start of the downward turn, whereas this one nailed it right at the beginning of the downward bar right there. This one got you in a little bit earlier, a little bit more of a ballsy entry, because right after that you had the spike that moved up at 10:15, and that shook a lot of people out. This spike right here alone would have triggered most people's stop loss, and you would have been out of the trade only to see the trade go boom down in the direction that it was meant to go. So this filtered out a lot of the noise right here. It identified this area as noise, and it kept you in the trade even through the pullback right here all the way to the end when the market closed, the futures market closed today at 16:15. So entry point at 10 a.m. at 688, and that got you out right at 16:15, the close of the futures trading at 479. So you guys do the math right there. Pretty good trade as well. These two indicators you see on the screen only capture the cyclic component, not the trend component. This captures the trend component. These two capture the cyclic component of the data structure that you see right there. And that's the reason why you see crossings above and below the zero line on both of these. Finally, we've got this one over here, this bad boy. Probably took the better entry of the three right here, because it did catch the first down bar, which was at 10:30 in the morning, and it caught it at 7:24, and that brought you all the way down to 16:15 at the close to 479. That's a huge monster range right there, and it also filtered out this little reversal that you had here as well. The indicator right here at the bottom also got you in. Let me just get rid of this pointer here. Got you in at a very good level right there, right at the intersect, which was this spike that you had in price, and it brought you down all the way, boom, right there. Not a bad exit, okay? Between here and here, it caught all the sideways trading, a little reversal right there and some sideways trading, before it actually went down. So all three of these AI-powered strategies on the NASDAQ 100 performed exceedingly well today. Right now, I'm focused on streaming the 6 AI-powered strategies that are centered on equities and indices. You can see those on the live stream tomorrow or any day for that matter, and see how those perform. Those are primarily designed for swing traders and option traders. Okay, I do stream this platform that you're seeing here live when I get the itch to do so, and hope you guys enjoyed what I just shared, and that's all I've got for you today. Thanks.